Hi and welcome back to my channel. As we head into the cold and flu season, I want to share my fast-acting herbal remedy for boosting your immunity and helping you fight off cold and flu symptoms naturally. The remedy combines sage, hibiscus, ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, coconut water and lemon. These are all incredibly powerful ingredients for respiratory health, sore throats and immune support. Now today I'll tell you exactly how to prepare this remedy in a way that preserves the full power of these herbs and ingredients, ensuring that you get the maximum benefits. So you take 1 teaspoon of dried sage, and I've got the wild organic sage here, and a teaspoon of these wonderful flowering hibiscus leaves, and half an inch of ginger, which you grate, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper is all you need, and half a cup of coconut water. And this is optional, but it helps introduce natural electrolytes. And then you take just half a lemon in this recipe. So start by simmering the ginger and turmeric together. Boil it in about 1.5 cups of water. This is roughly about 300 mils. Add the grated ginger and turmeric and gently simmer that for 10 minutes. And you should be left with about 1 cup of fluid, and this will ensure you still have the full cup of your remedy by the end of the process. Now, by simmering, this allows the active compounds in ginger, like gingerols, and in turmeric, like curcumin, to fully release into the water. Now, these compounds are more resistant to heat and require this process to unlock their anti-inflammatory and immune boosting benefits. Now, after simmering the ginger and turmeric, turn off the heat, add your sage and hibiscus flowers to the hot water, and cover the pot and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and this can be lost if it's exposed to high heat for too long. So by steeping rather than boiling, you retain the maximum benefit for immune support and respiratory health. Now, sage also helps soothe sore throats and fights infections with its antimicrobial properties. So once the herbs have steeped, strain the tea into your cup. Squeeze in the lemon juice, just half a lemon, and add the half cup of coconut water. And after steeping to preserve their freshness and nutrients, you'll find that lemon provides a burst of vitamin C, while coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes, helping your body fight off the flu. And lastly, add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the tea. Now, cayenne helps clear sinuses and supports circulation, which speeds up the healing process from the cold and flu symptoms. I'll add the recipe for the remedy in the description below, and also I'll include a recipe for a larger batch that lasts a few days. So drink this 2 to 3 times a day, just 2 to 3 cups daily, at the first sign of symptoms like a scratchy throat, congestion or fatigue, and continue drinking the remedy until your symptoms subside, which could take about 1 to 3 days for mild symptoms and up to a week for more stubborn colds or flu. So to recap the benefits, sage is a natural antimicrobial herb that supports respiratory health, helps clear out mucus, and sage soothes sore throats and prevents infections, while hibiscus is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, and hibiscus boosts your immune system and helps reduce the duration of cold symptoms, whilst ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory root, and ginger helps relieve congestion, soothe sore throats, and aids digestion, which is key during illness. And turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties and is widely renowned for its studies. Now, turmeric supports your body's natural defense system, and cayenne pepper clears up sinuses, improves circulation, and helps break up mucus, making it easier to breathe. Whilst coconut water is a great source of electrolytes because coconut water hydrates and supports recovery from illness. And lemon is rich in vitamin C, and it helps your body fight off infections while detoxifying the system. But here are some cautions you need to know, because sage, taken in large amounts, if pregnant or breastfeeding, can be a problem. So please, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, please consult your doctor before starting any herbal regimen, and use cayenne pepper with caution if you have a sensitive stomach. And always consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal regimen for anyone, including this remedy if you are on blood thinning medications in particular. So this remedy is a great way to naturally support your body during cold flu season whilst preserving the power of these wonderful herbs and ingredients. Now, if you want to source any of these organic herbs for this remedy, check out naturalworkshops.com and get 50% off to get you started on preparing for the winter season. Why wait till you get sick? Prevention is better than cure. I'll add the link in the description below for you, so you can go to naturalworkshops.com and have a look at the wild range of organic and wildcrafted herbs there to suit your needs. And if you're passionate about natural health, then join our live Telegram group. Now, this is a Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free and it's filled with fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. Again, I'll put the link in the description. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise. And I'll see you in the next video.